You know, in your pantry, you have all these spices and herbs. You want to make sure that they last as long as possible. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the expiration date on spices and herbs. So with spices, you usually have different blends of dried roots, bark, or the stem. And usually spices last anywhere between 2 and 3 years. Then you have herbs, which are the dried leaves, like basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, mint, bay leaves, dill, parsley, cilantro, sage, and typically they will last anywhere between 1 and 3 years. But then we have the whole spices, as in whole peppercorn, coriander, mustard seeds, fennel seeds, caraway seeds, cumin seeds, clove, and cinnamon sticks, which last 4 years or even longer. So you might want to consider getting most of your herbs in a whole form and then just get a grinder. Now, what happens when these herbs have an expiration date? Well, they're still okay to take. They just might lose flavor, potency, and color, but they're not going to make you sick unless they have gotten some moisture and there's some mold growing in that product. Now, I know in my pantry, I probably have herbs still in there from maybe 7, even 10 years ago. We still use them on occasion, but they're just not as strong. Now, when you're storing herbs, make sure they're in glass sealed bottles with the top really tight, because air, moisture, and light can degrade these herbs a lot faster. Make sure they're in a dark place and make sure they're not exposed to heat. So you wouldn't want to store them right by the oven. Now, if you have oil seeds, like in sesame seeds, poppy seeds, I would recommend refrigerating those because the oils do turn rancid a little bit faster. So anyway, I just wanted to do this video to answer someone's question on the expiration date on spices and herbs. So if you're enjoying my content, which I hope you are, and you're applying this knowledge to your health, and you have a success, I would really appreciate you sharing your success story. So click the link down below to my website where you can upload your success story so you can help inspire others.